In this video, I will check how to verify the memory usage of NLTK while it does tokenization. So the problem here is that say I want to tokenize a particular string. So what I want to do is tokenize. I import the word tokenize tokenize, and say I define a small function which will take inputs and return me or tokenize here. And let's say my string is hi, good morning. And then I do the tokenization, apply the tokenization on this. So I do tokenize str. Now obviously, if I run this cell, I will get the tokenized version of this string, which is this. Now, the point that I want to mention here is that I could execute this code seamlessly. That's because before running this code in a previous cell, I ran this particular line, nltk.download all. And what this line will do is it will download almost like 4 GB or 3.8 GB of dataset into my home directory in my Ubuntu. And that will have all the corpus of NLTK. Now, without running this code, if I did not download all this corpus from NLTK, without doing that, if I run this cell, then I was getting some lookup error or something like that. That is, it was not NLTK was not getting the actual corpus that it needed to tokenize my string. Now, the point of this video is that you will be worried, as I was, that because I downloaded all these 4 GB of data and then I ran this all code, whether the memory usage during my runtime will get affected, because if 4 GB of data need to be loaded into my RAM, that will be a lot of extra consumption of my RAM. And that's why I'm going to check that it is loaded or not. And the answer to tell you is that no worries, that particular data set, that whole 4 GB of corpus is not loaded unless you specifically call one of the corpus. So let's just check that. So I'm going to import this resource module and also the corpus and get my resource usage with this line, that is resource.getRusage, resource.RUsage underscore self, then RU max RSS. Let's run this. Okay, this is my resource usage, and then now just run this code. So here what I'm doing, no, sorry, not this. I'm going to actually import from nltk.corpus, import asterisk, that is it will import all of them, and then I run the same resource usage code again, and let's check. And as we can see that these two resource usage number is exactly the same. That is there is no change in memory usage. So the point is that the memory will only increase after you load the corpus data into memory. Unless you load that into memory, then you don't have to worry about your memory getting affected due to this line, nltk.download all. And also this particular line you only have to run once in the lifetime of your current machine, that is whether you are in local machine or a cloud machine. Once it gets downloaded once, it will always remember that. All right, that was pretty much about this video. Stay tuned and do subscribe because I'm going to do a lot of NLP projects over the next weeks and next months. So yeah, see you in the next one.